Hello friends, welcome once again to ASONOF Online Maths. In this video, we shall solve this number 1A problem that came out in this year's 2022 Waec Mathematics Past Questions. Do not forget that this video is proudly powered by Your Lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at Your Lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. So the question says that given that 7 minus 2x, 9, 5x plus 17 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression with common ratio r greater than 0, that we should find the values of x. Find the value of x. So how do we do this? We can only do this by understanding that this is already a geometric progression. And to get the common ratio of any geometric progression, you need to divide the second term by the first term, or you divide the third term by the second term, or you divide the fourth term by the third term. This is how to get the common ratio of any given geometric progression. Okay, now let's go there. Remember that the progression given to us are 7x minus 2x, 9, 5x plus 17. The first term is 7 minus 2x, while the second term is 9, and the third term is 5x plus 17. So what we have to do here is just to divide the 9, which is the second term, by the first term being 7 minus 2x. This will give us the common ratio. You can tag this equation 1. Also, you can divide the third term, which is 5x plus 17, by the second term, which is 9. This will also give us r, that is the common ratio. You can call it equation 2. But you need to understand that common ratio is always equal to the common ratio. So these two terms, these two equations can be merged together. So we can write that 9 over 7 minus 2x will be equal to 5x plus 17 all over 9. Because both of them are equal to r, you can substitute for r in the second equation and you formulate this. From here, you can cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will see that this will times this. We have 7 minus 2x into 5x plus 17. Everything equal to 9 times 9, that will give us 81. Then 7 times 5x is 35x. 7 times 17 will give us 119. Minus 2x times 5x is minus 10x squared, and minus 2x times 17 is minus 34x. Everything equal to 81. Then collecting like terms, we have minus 10x squared plus 35x minus this 34x here will give us just the x. Then plus 119 minus this 81 equal to 0, because when 81 crosses over, it turns to negative. So we are having minus 10x squared plus x plus 119 minus 81 will give us 38 equal to 0. Then remember that to factorize this resulting quadratic equation, you use this to multiply this. That will be giving us around minus 380x squared. So think of two terms you will multiply to get this minus 380x squared, and if you add, you get plus x, that is here. The values must be the same thing as 20x and the minus 19x, because 20x minus 19x will give us x, and 20x times minus 19x will give us minus 380. Therefore, I will now use this 20x and minus 19x to represent the x at the center. So I'm using these values to represent this x, because 20x minus 19x will still give us our x. Then plus 38 equal to 0. We can now factorize. Factorizing this, we'll have between the first two terms, minus 10x is a common factor. So divide minus 10x squared by minus 10x, that will be x. Divide 20x by minus 10x, that will be minus 2. Between 19x and 38, minus 19 is a common factor. Minus 19x divided by minus 19 is x, and 38 divided by minus 19 is minus 2. Everything equal to 0. So you now notice that the two brackets are the same thing, so you factor it out, x minus 2, remaining this and this, which is minus 10x minus 19, everything equal to 0. So when two things are multiplying each other to give 0, it implies that either the first one, which is x minus 2, is 0, that means x is equal to 2, or the second one, minus 10x minus 19 is equal to 0. That means minus 10x is equal to 19. Divide both sides by minus 10. We shall have that the value of x is equal to minus one whole number, 9 over 10. Therefore, x is equal to 2, or x is equal to minus 1, 9 all over 10. So these are the solutions to this particular problem. Okay, do not forget that this video is proudly powered by Your Lesson app. Catch me on their TikTok page at Your Lesson app. Go to Play Store, download and subscribe to their app so that you can enjoy my math videos. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye bye.